Captain Kirk here. Just want to give everybody a quick lesson on what you need to do in North Texas. Normally, we don't winterize our pools in Texas, however, we just leave them running. If your water is running, if you've got moving water in your pool, it's doing fine, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Leave it alone. However, if our power goes out and we're going to be in 1-degree weather, you need to probably take some precautions to help protect your pool equipment. So what I want to show you right quick, and again, this is North Texas does not winterize their pools. Anybody north of us does, and when they winterize, they'll drop the water level down, they'll empty all the water lines, but we just don't do that here. However, again, if it freezes and the water shuts down and your power's gone off, you need to come over here to your equipment. Each piece of equipment has a drain plug. Your filter has a drain plug, your motor has a drain plug, and your heater has a drain plug. So the first thing I want you to do, the motor's running right now, but when the power goes out, and it's been out for about an hour, you need to come over, go ahead and turn all your power off the swimming pool, so if the power does come back on, your pool won't try to move water, because moving water in the pool equipment is most important. So let's come back over here. Your equipment's off. So the first thing I usually do, hit your lid, get your lid off, and then there's a drain plug right down here. Just remove that drain plug. And some of the older pools will have 2 drain plugs. Take that out. I always throw the plugs back in the skimmer basket so I'll know where they're at. Come back over here to the heater. Drain plug's right down here. Pull that plug out. Throw it back in the basket. Then come over here. Very bottom of the filter, I got some channel locks here. If you can't get that drain plug out and it's too hard, I would just go for the filter. Take these 2 unions off and the filter will kind of come away from the pipes. Then open your pressure relief valve. You can see that the water is draining back out of the filter here, and the whole purpose is to get the water out of your equipment. Because if your equipment's sitting here and it freezes with water in it, it'll crack your filter, it'll bust your heater, it'll bust your Pentair pump. Anyway, that's your nickel's worth. If you have any questions or comments, just post it on there and I'll get back with you if I can. In closing, since it's going to be really bad weather, make sure you bring your little fur babies inside. Make sure they're protected with a jacket. All your cats, dogs, birds, everybody needs to come inside to survive this harsh winter that us Texans are about to experience. In closing, since it's going to be really bad weather, make sure you bring your little fur babies inside. Make sure they're protected with a jacket. All your cats, dogs, birds, everybody needs to come inside to survive this harsh winter that us Texans are about to experience.